What's going on, everybody? Judd Burdon here from Asphalt Kingdom. I'm right here in Nashville, Tennessee at the National Pavement Expo 2020. We are heating up the floor yet again and so excited to be presenting this incredible unit that I'm posted up on right here. Check this machine out. This is the RY10 Elite. The RY10 Elite was designed to allow you to maximize your business, to allow you to be operating in a safer environment, making sure that you're not having any risky safety issues. What we did was we created a unit that has a digital display. This digital display right here allows you to set it to Celsius or Fahrenheit. So you can actually adjust it. You can see it at all times. The other thing is you can see all the controls are from the operator's position. So when you're actually operating the machine, you're always from operating position. You don't have to go around here to the side for agitation. You don't have to go around to the front to the burner anymore. Isn't that incredible? The burner's been removed from the front, so now the burner is actually in the back, nice and closed up and sealed right here. Check out this propane strap right here, 2-ton strap. It used to be a chain. You now have a propane strap that will hold it in place, keeping all of your staff nice and safe as they're operating this machine. You'll also notice on the top lid right here, this lid opens up towards the operator's position. You can pull this unit up to your RY30 Pro and fill it from either side or the front. So as you pull it up to your RY30, boom, to the front or to the side on your trailer, right? That's a new innovative part of this machine as well. You can also see that we have a clip on the top to make sure that as you're operating, if gosh forbid it ever tipped over, you always have a nice sealed top, okay? You also have 2 handles on the front, which allows one guy to grab the front of the machine, lift up the handles, and then the other guy on the back handle side of the machine, so 2 guys can lift it in and out of a trailer. That enclosed burner system melts 50% faster than torch-driven models, and it also saves 50% more on propane. Those sealed burners are an incredible, innovative aspect of these push melters. You also have completely ergonomic handles. You can adjust them accordingly, right? So if you're a tall person, you can adjust it taller. All of the levers are all adjustable as well. This machine also has a torch accessory. This torch accessory allows you to burn vegetation and so on, or cook off any rubber that might have got on your wheels. This RY10 Elite literally is the new standard, the new industry standard. It's gone from the RY10 base model torch model, it's gone to the RY10 Pro, and now it's the RY10 Elite. Let's take your business to the elite level.